If you're looking for a hearty chicken pasta soup, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making a creamy Cajun chicken pasta soup, and I'm really excited to make it today. This weekend has been a very dreary, rainy, and cold weekend, and I just want to warm up with a good bowl of soup. So I will quickly go over all the ingredients, and then we'll go ahead and get this soup put together. All right, so we have here some canola oil, some margarine or butter, 2 containers of chicken broth. You're going to need 5 cups. One of those 32-ounce containers is 4 cups. I have some small little pasta. You can use any kind that you want to. I have 1 white onion. I chopped up a yellow onion because I have a whole bag for it, but the recipe does call for a yellow or a white onion. I used yellow. I have 3 chicken breasts. I have 1 can of diced tomato, minced garlic. I just chopped up 1 very large green onion, and that's going to be the garnish. You can chop up more if you'd like. I have some Cajun seasoning, some shredded Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and some whipping cream. And that is all the ingredients we're going to be using today. Alright my friends, as you can see, it's quite a few ingredients here, but it's going to be very simple and easy to do. First, we're going to go ahead, season our chicken, and then we're going to cook that in the frying pan, and then we'll be adding that to the soup a little bit later. I prefer to get my meat done out of the way and let it cool before I chop it up and put it in. I forgot to mention, this recipe is from Cheryl Malik. I will put in the description box of this video the link to the original recipe, so you can go ahead and look it up and get all the ingredients, so you don't have to keep watching the video over 10 times. But anyway, friends, let me stop talking. Let's hop right on in. All right, my friends, we are going to start by seasoning our chicken. I'm just putting a little bit of the Cajun seasoning right on my chicken. It's about a tablespoon or so. Okay, just quickly flip that over. Season the back side. Now we're going to go ahead and heat up our pan with some oil and get started. Put my pan on and let it get a little bit hot, and then we'll add in our oil. I'm just going to put in about a tablespoon of oil. And we'll let that heat up. Alright, we are heated up. So let's go ahead and put our seasoned chicken right in the pan. Then I'm going to let this cook for about 3 minutes on this side, flip it, and then we'll cook it for another 3. I'm going to go ahead and wash my fork and my plate. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and just flip the chicken over. It's been 3 minutes on that side. We're going to go about 4 or 5 minutes here. And then we'll take it out and let it cool and get the soup started. Alright my friends, so this did cook for about 12 minutes. So I'm going to turn it off first. Take this out, and I'm going to let it cool for a little bit while I'm working on the rest of the soup. Let me move this out of our way. Alrighty, now I'll bring this right on over. I have 2 tablespoons of butter in here, or margarine. We're going to go ahead and melt that. And once that's melted, we're going to go ahead and throw in our onions and our garlic and saute those. So as soon as that's done, we'll get that started. Alright my friends, our butter or margarine is melted. Now I'm adding in a small chopped onion. And I'm going to add in 4 garlic cloves. we're going to go ahead and just saute these for a few minutes. And once they're soft, we'll add in our Cajun seasoning. Alright, my friends, so now we're going to go ahead and add in a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Just give that a good stir. Smelling good already. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and remove this from the heat over here, and then we're going to put in the rest of our ingredients. Alright, we've moved this from the heat, and now I'm going to put in, I have 4 cups of broth. I need to add 1 more cup. My cup only went up to, wow, you can really see the difference. I had Weiss and I had, was that Aldi brand or Swanson? It's a lot lighter. Alrighty, and then I'm going to add in my can of diced tomatoes with the juice and all. And then we're going to add in 1 cup of heavy cream. Okay. We're going to give this a good stir. And then we're going to put it back on the heat. Okay. This is nice and hot, so I'm going to send it back over here. And now we're putting it on the heat. We're going to go ahead and bring this to a boil, and once it starts boiling, we're going to reduce the heat and just do a very slow simmer. And while that is going on, I'm going to go ahead and head over and shred up my chicken. Alright, my friends, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut up some chicken like this and cut it in small little pieces and get it ready for the soup. I'm kind of going to shred it a little bit, but not too thin. And then we'll finish up and get this soup finished and do our taste test. Alright, my chicken is all chopped up. This has now come to a boil, so we're going to reduce it down to medium. And now I'm going to add in 1 cup of my small pasta, and then we're going to let this go for 10 minutes. And you can cook your chicken now if you want instead of first. I just feel like I got too much going on, especially when I'm filming, so I cooked it first, but you can do that now if you want. So we're going to go ahead, set the timer, and let this go for 10 minutes, and then we'll check back in. Alright, my friends, time is up. I'm going to just turn off the heat real quick. And I forgot to mention, while this was going, I was stirring it just to make sure I didn't have any pasta sticking to the bottom. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in my cup of Parmesan cheese. And I'm just going to stir that in until it melts. That didn't take long, did it? And then I have my chicken all shredded up. We're going to go ahead and add that in. Okay. We're just going to stir that really well. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of salt and pepper for taste. Oop, almost opened the wrong side. Okay. And then we're just going to go ahead and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And then it's taste test time. Alright, I'll see you in a few. Alright, my friends, here we go. Yum, it smells so good. Look at that. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. I'm sweating so bad. Mmm. Mmm. I like it. Sorry, it's hot. I like the soup. personally, I would add more Cajun seasoning. There is about 2 tablespoons in here. We seasoned the chicken, and then we put a tablespoon in here, but I like it spicy. So I would go ahead and add a little extra in my bowl, but I don't think I would do it for the entire pot. Definitely taste it as you go along just to see what you think. But I really like the flavor. I got a little bit of that pasta, which was like a little bit of a surprise because I forgot that it was in there, if that makes any sense. But it is absolutely delicious. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, don't forget, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!